Good evening, jury, fellow hackers. We are Team Podcord, and here is our project for this hackathon. We have created Introspect.AI. Introspect.AI is an AI-powered simulation that interacts with users, providing real-time feedback for distinguished fields using AI avatar. Initially, our idea was focused on medical students regarding the difficulties they were facing in diagnosing standardized patients. The initial idea presented a solution to take a mock diagnosis session using real-time and face-to-face conversation with AI avatars. While developing the solution, we realized this could be helpful to anyone who is struggling to have a who is struggling to have a professional conversation. Hence, we developed Introspect AI. Introspect AI allows the user to introspect on his or her mistakes made during the conversation. So here is a real-time demo representing it. So this is what we have created. We have we have a login using a Firebase system, which is quite simple. This is the AI modules and the dashboard it's gonna present. The first we are going to test about the medical patient. Here, we have created AI, which is a medical patient, and we as a med student have to diagnose what the problem he is facing under. So let's start this representation. Hello, how can I help you today?
Hello, doctor. I've been having this really bad pain in my chest for the past few hours. It started suddenly while I was at work, and it's really making me worried.
How long have you been having this chest pain?
The pain started about 3 hours ago, around 2 p.m. It just came on all of a sudden while I was sitting at my desk at work.
Do I need any family medical history for you?
Yes, my father had a heart attack when he was 52, and my mother has high blood pressure. My grandmother on my father's side also died from heart problems. I think she was in her early 60s.
So here we can see that uh, like having more conversations with him, and then just just clicking on the introspect button, we could have a real time feedback of how the conversation or how the diagnosis went. This is a really concise simulation, but it would show like how well the treatment or diagnosis went. So it's generating the report. So as you can see, the accuracy of diagnosis does not really exist because in the conversation I did not look it forward for any diagnosis or not, but I was quite professional and communicative about what problems he's facing and about what a medical history he has. So it also provides you the areas of improvement, and it also suggests learning points, and it also gives a final remarks for it. So I need a lot of improvement regarding it. So this is just an example representing how our project works. This is chat history for we have used different models, and this provides with different chats. So like also when you converse for a long time and get the diagnosis, you improve your score and improve your report. Also, we have created different iterations like talking to business advisor and talking to business advisor about your business and how well does that go. And also it could be used for IT professionals and business advisors also. Let's just try about the IT professional, and so this is a simulation of an interview. You as a student might want to practice how the interview goes. So let's see how does it go. Hello, how are you?
Hello, I'm doing well, thank you. I'm Sophia Wren, here for the technical interview.
Yes, uh, we can start our interview.
Yes, I'm ready. Please proceed with your questions.
Uh, I have questions regarding linked list merging.
I'm waiting for your specific question. Could you please complete your statement and ask what you'd like to know? Could you please be more specific about what aspects of English you'd like to ask about? I need a clear question to provide an appropriate response.
Mm, I want to ask you about linked list merging.
I'm ready to answer questions about linked list merging. Please ask your specific question about this topic, and I'll provide a technical response.
What is linked list?
A linked list is a data structure made up of nodes where each node contains data and a pointer or reference to the next node in the sequence. Unlike arrays, linked list elements are not stored in contiguous memory locations. The last node typically points to null,
You
indicating the
even
end of the list.
generate report for it. This was just an iteration like how you could use it for the for an interview remark and help you prepare for the interview.